Welcome to this Power BI tutorial series, where you'll learn to turn raw data into meaningful insights, visuals, and dashboards using one of the most powerful business intelligence tools available, Power BI. Whether you're a data analyst, a business professional, or just curious about data, this series will take you from beginner to confident Power BI user. Let's get started. Power BI is a business analytics tool developed by Microsoft. It allows you to connect to various data sources, transform that data, and visualize it using interactive reports and dashboards. Think of it as Excel on steroids, designed for data visualization and business intelligence. It's widely used across industries to create real-time dashboards, track KPIs, and share insights easily across organizations. Power BI consists of several components, but the ones you'll be using most often are Power BI Desktop for building reports on your computer, Power BI Service for sharing and collaborating on those reports, and Power BI Mobile to access reports on the go. Why should you learn Power BI? We are living in a data-driven world. Companies are collecting more data than ever, but it's not helpful unless someone can make sense of it. Power BI is a skill that's in high demand, and once you understand how it works, you can use it to spot trends and patterns in business data, build professional dashboards that update automatically, and share live insights with decision makers. The best part? You don't need to be a coder or a data scientist to get started. Before we dive into the interface, let's get Power BI Desktop installed. Head to powerbi.microsoft.com, click on Products. Power BI Desktop, choose Download Free, or use the Microsoft Store, and once installed, open it up. When you open Power BI Desktop, you'll see several key areas on your screen. At the top is the ribbon menu, just like Microsoft Word or Excel. In the center is the report canvas, where your visuals and reports live. On the right is the visualizations pane containing all the charts and formatting tools. Below that is the fields pane, where your data tables and columns appear once loaded. And on the left are the report, data, and model view buttons, which help you switch between visuals, raw data, and relationships. Let's try loading a sample data set. Click Get Data, Excel, select a simple table, and hit Load. You'll now see your table appear in the Fields pane. Drag a numerical column onto the canvas. Power BI automatically creates a chart for you. Want to change the chart type? Just select it and choose another type from the Visualizations pane. And that's it. You've built your first visualization. Save your report as a PX file. Later in the course, we'll publish this to the cloud and share it with others. But for now, we'll keep working inside Power BI Desktop. Let's recap. Power BI is a business intelligence tool for turning data into insights. It includes components like Power BI Desktop Service. You installed Power BI Desktop and explored the interface. You loaded a dataset and built your first report. Thanks for watching this first tutorial. You now have a solid foundation to begin your Power BI journey. In the next video, we'll roll up the sleeves and dive into loading and connecting data from different sources. See you there.